I'm going to show you a way of making fans. It's called the ONDA JULIA in Spanish, and I don't know what it's called in English. So if you know what it's called in English, please let me know in the comments. I will also put a link to where I purchased this pattern in the description of the video as well. This is not one of my patterns, but let me show you how to do this neat cross hatching design. I'm going to bring this first pair in. I'm going to twist, and this is my working pair, cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross. Now before I start working this pair out, I need two pairs next to each other, and I'm going to bring both of the threads from the right pair over and then work my way through cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. And then again I need two pairs, and I bring the right two threads over and then work my way through cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, and again two pairs and over, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. And here I have an extra pair, and this happens every other time you go back and forth, but you just work your way right through it and it blends into the pair that it's next to. And now we're going to make this, it's almost like a little scalloped edge along the top. So I'm going to go twist, twist here and twist, twist with this pair that's going to go around the outside. Cross, twist, cross, pin, tension. I'm twisting one more time, and then I'm going through cross, twist, cross, and then I'm twisting twice again, and that's going to give it that kind of scalloped shape. And now the easiest part is going back, because you just go straight through all of them. Cross, twist, cross, 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 and now I'm ready to pull in my next pair. So here's my next pair. I'm going to twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross, and now I'm going to grab, so I have two pairs next to each other, and I'm bringing one over, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Do the same thing, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, same thing, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, over, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, tension, twist, cross, twist, cross. And I'm twisting, and now I work my way all the way back. Clock stitch all the way back. Just want to make sure these are in order. There we go. There we go. And now I'm ready for my next pair. Twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross, and now I grab two and over, two and over, two over, over, and now I have this extra pair again, so I just go straight through it. Twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, twist and pin, tension, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, and then work my way back. over, 2 over, 2 over, 2 over, twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, twist. I'm going to pin up underneath here just to keep the tension where I want it to be. Twist, cross, twist, cross. And work my way back. Twist, and bring this pair in. Now 2 over, 2 over, 2 over, 2 over, 2 over. Here's my extra. Work my way through it. Twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, twist and pin. I'm going to pin up underneath here. Twist, twist, and work my way back. Okay, I'm ready to toss a pair out. So I'm going to twist and pin. This pair goes out. And I go, again, I find the next 2 pairs, 2 over and through. 2 over. 2 over. 2 over, 2 over, twist, 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 pinning up underneath there, twist, and work my way back. I'm going to toss out another pair. So that pair goes out. And bring this pair both over. Over. extra pair, twist, 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 pin up underneath so I keep my tension, work my way back. I'm going to toss this pair out. Two over. Two over. Two over. Two over. Twist, twist. Twist, twist. Cross, twist, cross, tension, tension, twist, and pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, work my way back, pin, toss this pair out, keep these up and out of my way, I don't need them, two over, two over, there's that extra one, twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, in and back, twist and pin, and now these are all staying in. So I'm going to go over. I'm going to keep that cross hatch going. One more here. Even though it's really, the threads are very tight there and you won't really see it, I'm just going to keep it going just for myself. Twist, 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 cross, twist, cross. Twist and pin underneath here, tension, tension, and now I'm ready to continue.